That's a little deep. A little deep. My phone goes off. I'm not talking to you, girlfriend. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Slay Glam box. This is for the month of July. Now, it's already August, I am aware. So, if you want to see what is inside of here and what the hell is going on with the shipping and what do I think about this box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I received this in my P.O. box July 31st, so the last day of the month, and I'm just getting around now to unbox it. If you didn't know, Hurricane Isaias had hit New Jersey, so I couldn't film yesterday, and then over the weekend was my daughter's birthday. She actually turned 20 July 31st, so the whole weekend we were celebrating, and you know how it is. But anywho, today is Wednesday when I'm filming this, so hopefully it will go up tonight. So, every month I say the same thing, the shipping, the shipping. I see in the comments all the time, the shipping. So, I do know that because of COVID and everything that had happened, for the month of May, she stopped the payments. And I guess what had happened was when she went to start the June again, the app or the software that she uses, I guess most people it printed out a label for May and June. So a lot of people got 2 boxes. So I know like things had happened with that. I don't know, but hopefully, as she says, she's got everything together now. And because of that mess up, the month of August, which I'm so excited for, it's going to be an all palette box. All palettes. And I am definitely excited. So I do have a link I will leave down below. I have a coupon code that saves you a few dollars off. I don't make anything out of it. It is for you guys to save some money because you definitely want to get August box. I've never seen a subscription to do all palettes. So I'm really excited for that. Alright, so let's open this up and see what is in here. I literally just cut the little outer thing off just now, so it's pretty, you know, it's taped up. So let's see what she looks like. All right, oh, and just in case if you don't know, it looks like a little like pocketbook. All right, so let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like inside. Not too much, just a little sneak peek. All right, I'm gonna take everything out and see what's in here. All right, so that's everything that's here. There's no card in it this month. So as I'm editing, I'll try to look everything up and give you prices. All right, so I'm just gonna pick up the first thing that I see. This is from Hakari. This is in the shade Santa Cruz, and it's a matte bronzer. And I love bronzer. Like, I wouldn't mind getting bronzer every month. Alright, so that's what it looks like when you take it out the box. So it has like all different colors, like green, light brown, dark brown. And I'm gonna just mix it all together and see what it looks like. Oh, so it actually turns into a really pretty color. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on and see what it looks like. It's actually really, really pretty. That's a little deep. A little deep. Let me go in with my other brush and kind of like blend that out. Thank God this is the only video that I'm filming. It actually blends pretty good. I do like it. Like I said, it's a little deep. I kind of like went ham, but use a light hand if you do get this. All right, the next thing is another product from Hakari. This is a beauty crown in the shade Pouty. Let's see what color she is. All right, so that's what it looks like, and that is the shade. There is the color. All right, I'm gonna go grab something to take this off, and we're gonna just try this puppy on. Okay, so I took off my lipstick and let's try it on and see how it is. Okay, I think it's a pretty shade. It feels creamy. And I like it. I don't have any lip liner or anything like that. I just have this color on. And then right here, you would just twist that for it to go up and down. So you don't have to sharpen this. All right, so I like that. All right, the next thing is from Be a Bombshell. This is, it's called the One Stick in the shade Hocus Pocus. What the heck is this? Let's see. That's why I wish I had a card so I can see what this stuff is. Okay. So I'm surmising this is like maybe like a blush, like a cream blush, or I don't think it would be a lipstick. I don't know what that is. If that could be a lipstick, a blush, like, I guess so, like it's an all-in-one stick. So you can wear it as a lipstick, a blush. You definitely wouldn't wear it as a bronzer. So let me just try to blend it out if I was going to wear it as a blush. Yeah. I mean, it blends out pretty good. It would be a nice cream blush to try. I don't know. I don't really get into like all-in-one sticks, to be very honest with you. So I don't know how many uses I would actually get out of this. But I'm glad to get it to try it and see, because I've never tried this before. All right, so the next thing we have is called Sparkle Fairy from INT. So this is a highlighter egg, and it's taped up. My phone goes off. I'm not talking to you, girlfriend. All right, so that's what it looks like, and when you open it up, when I first looked at this, I thought this was like a lip balm. You know, like those Eggo lip balms? So let's see. So that's what it looks like. I mean, it's okay. I don't know how much use like I would get out of this as well. I would probably use this as like a lipstick topper or something like that. Let's just see. Yeah. Do you see how that little bit gives it like a little shine in the center? That is really, really pretty. That's probably what I would definitely get use out of that. Let me wipe this puppy off now, because now I got the lipstick on it. All right, so we have that. And last but not least, we have a palette. You always get a palette in the subscription, and that's what I like. So this is from Glamour Me. I've never heard of it. She always does indie brands, so I like that. And it's called the Color Eyeshadow, or Glamour Me. So let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. On the back, you get the colors and the names. You get a nice mirror. I like that. And it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. So that's what it looks like. All right, so let's do some swatches. I'm going to do a couple of the shimmer shades. Well, it feels creamy. It feels good. Now, this blue one is kind of chunky, if you can even see when I swatched it. But let's try it. Okay, so here are some right there. These two kind of favor each other. One is darker than the other. That blue is actually really, really pretty. All right, let's do some more shimmers, because I love me a good shimmer. That purple, wow. So here is a couple more. I love this purple. All right, so there we go. These are like very light, but they feel like if I was to wet them, that they would really stand out a little bit more. But the mattes is what's really important, because with shimmers, you can go ahead and wet them or use your finger on your eye to make them stand out. But the mattes, so let's see. And these are just swatches, so swatches don't mean anything. They could swatch really bad but go on the eye really good, and vice versa. This one is a little chalky. All right, so that's just one swatch. I'm going to go back in and see if it's buildable. All right, that's going in twice, so they're a little bit better. This is not my favorite palette. I don't know how much it is, but I'm definitely going to try it out. It's not the worst palette that I ever swatched. It definitely is buildable, and it does get some more color when you build it up, and I prefer that anyway. So let's recap what is in this box for the month of July. Unfortunately, if you do sign up, you can't get July anymore, but you can get August, which is the all palette one. And then I'll tell you my thoughts of what I think about this month. All right, so we have this palette, and the palette's okay. We had other better palettes that came in this box, but I'm glad to get a palette. So we have that. This be a bombshell, this right here. It's very pretty. Me, personally, I'm just not into cream blushes, but I know a lot of people are. It's an extremely beautiful color, and I might try it as a lipstick, but I wouldn't actually go buy this if, you know, if I had a choice. So then we have this lip crown by Hakari. I really do like it. It feels very creamy. I will definitely use this again. So I do like that. Then we had this from INT, this highlighter. I do not like it as a highlighter. Again, I don't go for a lot of cream cream products. So I go with the powder ones. And so I really wouldn't use it for that, but it looks stunning to put it right in the center of your lips. So I'll definitely get use of this again. I will definitely use it. And then the bronzer. I really like the bronzer. I went a little bit too deep, but I think if I went a little bit light-handed, I'll definitely use this again. So out of all the products, let's see what I would really go for. So out of 5 products, 3 of them I know for a fact I will definitely use again. The palette, I'll definitely try it. I'm not knocking it. I'm going to try it. I love eyeshadow palettes, so I'm not hating that. So the really thing I'm not really into is this cream blush. But like I said, that is personal preference. Is this my favorite month? No, it's not. It's not. I've had better ones, and I also had worse months. But I'm definitely excited for the all palettes month for next month. I really am. I'm curious to see what is going to be in there. If I didn't tell you, this is $24 a month. Like I said, I do have a discount code. I believe you save like 10% off, so you save like $3 off. I think you can get it for like $21. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. Tell me all the tea. What do you think about the month of July? What did you think about it? And what do you think about Slay Glam? Let me know in the comments. And are you excited for the all palette month? Let me know all the tea. And that is everything. Let me know how you guys made out with the hurricane or the tropical storm. How did it impact you? Did you lose power? Let me know all the tea. And that is everything, guys. Please give this video a like. It really helps me out. It only takes a second, and it helps YouTube kind of put me in the algorithm a little bit, and God knows I need to get more in that algorithm. And if you like unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, reviews, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn that post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I have a giveaway coming up, so make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss that video. And that is everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.